What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going to a Los Goonies car meet in the Mustang and with my cousin. Link in the description. Beautiful F80. Without further ado, we're going to hop in the car, do a little POV drive on the way there, and see what the vibes are. Alright guys, you're going to go into this Cars and Coffee, see what the vibes are. First, I mean, this is my first meet in like Jersey in a while. You can see those F80Is anywhere, especially with those DROs. The car looks so good in that mineral gray. The weather should be getting a bit better. I guess it rained last night. I ain't gonna lie, I love the roads out here. Nice and curvy, tight. F80 is so beautiful. Like, F80s have one of the best body lines. Oh my god, especially with the perfect fitment. Like, he has it. Before I got this, the other cars I was considering was an F87 and a Supra. Things I'm low-key too big for a Supra. Like, nah. F87s, they have more space, you know. We got a S4 behind us. Photos of the cars together. Look at this thing. I honestly don't even know what it is. Look at this turbo. I really don't even know what it is. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. GH400. This thing got a fucking parachute on it. God, yeah, this thing is a sleeper, bro. This is Mach 1. I don't think it's Mach. I think it's a regular 5.0, but hey guys, I want to do this to my car. I'm gonna get this front grille. I really like this hood. It's a GT 500 hood. These wheels are nice too. Wow. This is manual too. This one. I ain't gonna lie, sometimes I wish I got a manual. There's brakes. Yeah, this thing is nice. Oh, look at this F650 too. This thing is nice. Look at this. Definitely making some type of power. No sleep on these. Upgraded turbo. Gutted. Yeah, he's moving. He's moving. For those of you guys who've been watching since I had the ST, this is actually what I wanted to get before I was gonna get the ST. I was gonna get a IS300, but I wanted a manual one, and they're super difficult to find in a manual. Had a whole plan for it. Like I wanted to go like big turbo on it. Honestly, probably try to do the super swap, but couldn't find a clean one. It's super hard to find one that's really clean. So I just ended up getting the ST. Sold it. And we got the Mustang. Look at this R8, first gen R8. I think this. I don't know. I was gonna say this might be my favorite, but I think it's just nostalgia. Yeah. I know these used to come with a gated manual. That's how I would get mine, to be honest. I think it's nice though. I love the colorway. Reminds me of like Forza V10. Got a whole lot of SRT boys. You guys make them jam. Let's sleep on one of these things. It's just will ruin your day. Oh, you got a clean interior too. Carbon fiber wheels. I don't know if they're real though. Like I was saying before, guys, before I wanted to get my car, it was between an F87 and honestly a G87. Like this one that's about to pull up right now. It's right here. This thing looks money. Probably exactly how I'm doing mine, but this thing is money. Finally able to get a better look at it. Look at these. I don't know. Honestly, this is probably like the only other car that I would consider like trading my car for. It sounds crazy because I mean, it's not just about speed for me. You know, like it's more the driver experience. But this thing is nice. I love it. That's the only thing I'd probably trade my Mustang for. This is something that you do not see every day. This thing is nice. It's chopping like a motherfucker. This is nice. This thing is beautiful. No, you see, those are those are builds that I like to see because you never see them at all. Alright guys, we're about to head out of here. Just finishing up. After me, everybody's heading out, but we're not going to finish here. We're gonna go to the Long Island Bimmers, see what's over there. Kind of crashed with the Mustang. It's supposed to be a Beamer meet. Got a horse on the steering wheel though. Looking nice. 10. Oh, we have here another Mustang S650. Got some niddles on it. It's a manual. I ain't gonna lie, these new S650s, I like them. Let me know how you guys like them. A lot of people don't like them. They've grown on me a lot, to be honest. But nice 550, I love it. I can't complain at all. I really can't. What's a controversial car that you guys like? Like, for me, this M5 is beautiful. People don't really like them for some reason. I mean, I get it because of the wide hips and F90 and stuff like that. But 7.5 is beautiful. I love them, especially when people do like the agile kits and stuff. They look good. These M8s too. M8s are not. These M8s don't even have a bad price on them either. Like, they move. Nice and luxury. Can't even complain. G87s, man. They look amazing, especially in this blue. This thing is nice. Look at this. Model gray. R8. This thing is nice. This is like perfectly done. I like the gray with the blue. It goes together really well. I thought it was a gated menu. It's not, but still really nice. 5. This is Turbo S. The camera's picking it up like kind of whitish. It's actually like a Brooklyn gray type of color. Leave a comment down below of what is your favorite car in this video so far. So far, for me, well, I don't know. It's kind of hard. Like, I really did like that Mustang over there at those Goonies meets, but my favorite car so far here is definitely that Turbo S. I mean, that's my dream car, to be honest. So, G80. It's actually having a little bit of fun on the way over here. I don't know if I caught it on camera or not. My POV camera died. Look at this. I love G80s, man. They're always gonna be clean, no matter what. You know, I feel like everybody has them. Like, literally everyone has a G80, but they look so good. Look at these F80s. I love those Apex style wheels. I love the color on this thing. It's so nice. Is this paint? Looks good though. Yeah, it sounds like turbo. This is money. Let's see. It's manual too. Love these BBS wheels. I don't know. There's a lot of nice cars here. I can't lie. Like, I love old school. Like, this is old school now. Technically, N54, 235, single turbo build. Don't see these anymore. Everybody's on their B58 trend. This is what set the path for you. Ooh, look at this. Laguna Seca. This thing is so nice. So these oranges, I love the orange. I mentioned in the last meet. I think he was actually at the last meet. But this orange, the Laguna Seca, even this like fire red, orange, I don't know. I mean, it's definitely red, but it is nice. It's like CS style. People sleep on this emerald green. Like, this thing is beautiful. Oh my. Especially in this nice sun, it is popping. Single turbo F82. Trying to convince my cousin to do the single turbo on the F80. I mean, he has upgraded turbos. They sound amazing, but I think it's gonna perform better and sound better with that big single turbo. So I'll put his link in the description. Go convince him to go do that. Look at these 92s, just clean. Sound amazing. feel like this is just such a timeless car. Look at this. Back to back. These F87s was one of my options, especially in a color like this. I love these like bronze, gold wheels. Like they go so well. The car surprising. I like the finish he has onto it. Even the weave has like carbon, like gold carbon in it. So what you gotta do?
Speed tech kit. So that's the good thing about this kit versus like any traditional like single turbo. Like this is probably like the best bang for the buck kind of kit you can get, because this setup alone, like straight from Speed Tech, is like $4 grand.
Word?
Yeah.
Damn. Look at these X3Ms. Look at this.
At the end of the day, can't go wrong with a non-low wheel. Probably pushing close to 800 turbo.
Nice sticky tire. I ain't gonna lie. This money. I would love to own an X3M as like a second car. Honestly, once I get like my own place and have like driveway and like the actual space, I have 2 cars. I would definitely get like an X3M. We'll consider it at least. This is nice. Another big turbo X3M. Don't sleep on these things, guys. Could pull up on one of these unsuspecting. Just get smoked.